Did you know that some sounds aren't trying to get in? They're counting down. Sarah bought the old Victorian house in October. The first night she heard 3 slow knocks from the basement. Knock, knock, knock. She checked. Nothing there. The second night, the knocks came from the kitchen walls. The third night, from upstairs. Always 3 knocks. Always moving higher. Sarah found journals hidden in the attic. Previous owners wrote about the same thing. The knocking, the pattern, the slow climb through the house. Each family documented it for months. Then the entries just stopped. Security cameras showed nothing outside, but the knocks grew louder each night. Basement, kitchen, living room, stairs, hallway, always ending at her bedroom door at dawn. Sarah realized it wasn't random. It was methodical, deliberate. Tonight something changed. The knocks started in her bedroom, while she was still awake, still in bed. 3 knocks from inside her closet. Then she understood. The countdown was over.